Hi you guys, so today I'm going to be installing the red wig. As y'all can see on my channel, it's basically installs. I'm doing wigs so that y'all can see them. Y'all decide if y'all want to buy them. I'm about to go get my hair braided. My friend about to braid my hair, so I'm about to go get my hair braided. Got on my little waist trainer because y'all gotta look good, and I don't like that. I don't like that. But first, we're about to go take my sister's dog out. So spend the day with me. Period. Alright. As y'all can see, I'm about to install her. I didn't went on and plucked her. I don't know. It's giving Ronald McDonald. Ronald McDonald. I don't know, Zay, because on the camera it looks super bright. It does, but in person it's like burgundy, y'all. It's not even that bright, but on camera it looks super bright. Huh? I might put some makeup on her. Who, my mama?
You didn't think that was a man?
I did.
I thought that was Zaylen, and I looked outside and I see my mama. Mom. You sound like a man.
Put makeup on it.
I'm good.
I think I need to pluck the middle some. Y'all hear my sister and my mom in the background.
Hey, Donnie, burned 464 calories.
He did that.
And then, let me see.
Not you hating.
He did that.
Don't hate on Donnie.
My mama burned, look at you. You ready? You burned 728 calories out of 330 calories. But you get over 220%.
Bye.
Calorie extent. Look at you.
She thinks she doing something.
Congratulations. But you didn't beat me though. Because listen, I burned 1,124 calories.
Y'all, I'm about to pluck the middle. I'll be back. I'm about to pluck it some more because look at it.
With 229% over.
I don't know, y'all. It just needs to be plucked somehow. Maybe not.
When I'm at work.
Where it don't. I just be working out. And like I told Kate, I was telling you guys.
I'm gonna pluck it somehow. I'll be back, y'all.
But they speak.
Hey, y'all. So I'm back. As y'all can see, I started cutting. And my sister said this looked like a prostitute wig. Like, she think it's ghetto. She don't think it's cute. I don't know yet. I think I'm gonna see when I put some makeup on, y'all. Cause right now I'm just cutting it. I really need the what's the names though. The I need a razor. I'll be back, y'all. I'm about to go steal my mama's. Alright, y'all, I'm back. So, as y'all can see, I cut it. Cut the lace. I don't know how I feel about it, y'all. I don't know how I feel about this. I don't. It's cute though, like. It's cute, like. What if I like turned it? What if I like turned it and. Oh, that's cute. Do it like. Turned it like this. But then how do I my earpiece? Zay, what if I did a side part?
I'm certain.
No, baby. Stick with the middle. Stick with the middle part. Yeah, the middle part is better. I don't know, that side part just look a little eggy right there.
First?
Your head just look too eggy. It's better than the side part.
What?
Better in the middle part. A little bit in the middle part.
Oh my god. Child, this is ghetto. Not the wig. The wig is great quality. It doesn't tangle.
Girl, I have to say this. This is paid. This is paid promo. Yeah. Listen, I ain't gonna get y'all nothing, baby. Listen, this is what it is.
It's a cute, but you know what?
It's cute.
If you looking for affordable synthetic wig, this is a cute red affordable synthetic wig. If you're looking for it.
If you like that type of color,
Yeah.
that's for you. Cause some people they love like yellow stuff, baby.
Oh my god.
Just some of them pictures, looking at some of them pictures from the reviews, they look ghetto. Look at what they do.
Zay.
If this is your taste, then this is for you. That's it.
Jesus.
Don't be calling on my Lord.
I need them.
For what? Child, Jesus probably saying, he probably saying the same thing. That's why they make people's hair color this red.
Bro.
That was stank.
Cut the video. Cut the video. It's time to cut the video. Nah, this is I give y'all raw and uncut. My sister's mouth is just not it.
First of all, there's nothing wrong with my mouth.
She ain't got no filter. She said I look like a prostitute. A prostitute. With this red wig on. Can y'all believe that? Prostitute. What did I do with the What did I do with the
You know, I actually was thinking
Muse? Do these edges. You was thinking what? Edges or no edges?
Let me see.
I ain't did them yet.
Oh. Then what you gonna ask me for? I feel like it'll probably look better with no edges. At this point, it look like you just playing with it.
It look like I'm what?
It's a play with it, like it's playing beautiful.
At this point. I mean, it's not a play wig, y'all. This is like install.
You gonna say it? Nigga, you gotta start with you. Hell yeah, I ain't trying to make your leg look. You gonna see it in your leg.
Say, because they can hear everything.
No, they can't.
Yes, they can. Alright, y'all, I'm back. So I did one edge. I'm about to do the other one. Don't worry about the lace. I'll tin it in a minute. Just worry about the edges that I'm attempting. Not attempting because I know how to do edges, but that I'm doing. I'm using some mousse to get it flat. Then I'm gonna take the edge brush, brush it out, brush it out, brush it out, and swoop. Brush it out, brush it out, brush it out, and swoop. Put that back up there. I'll hot comb that. People be like, oh, you can't hot comb a synthetic wig. Who? Baby, I do. I be hot combing it. I don't care. I do care, but I really don't care. If you want it flat, you gotta hot comb it. Don't. But my hot comb has different settings. I put it either on 1 or 5. I don't go no higher than that. Cause it is. I do care. I'm not about to do this with you. That is.
Got the kick.
Had to cut that somewhere, y'all. Hold on. Ooh. Hold on. I'll be back when I'm done with the other edge. And all of them. As y'all can see, I'm finished. I installed it. I'm about to do my makeup and I'll be back. I think it's super cute. I think it's super cute. I'm about to do my makeup and I'll be back.
You looking cute, ain't what so
Alright, y'all. As y'all can see, I finished the install. I did my makeup.
You say you really you can hang.
Finished. Up
I
close
need to
in
know some
person.
things, baby. Like, would you hold my 30 for me, baby? 12 pull it over, would you stash my purple for me, baby? I'm like, would you hit the block with
Super
me,
cute.
baby?
I'm gonna put the wig link down below. Go like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Period.